Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
CM ka Khadc uba Winston Tony Lingdo ulabate ki kam jong ki executive member Thymmai hapo Khadc uba Winston bakran shakilat bathai kubor ule tho bahadian ba ulat kejela UCH Virya Shankar ule menjur ki kerteng jong ki EM balapha hau bat nakalyang jong ulabate ki kam jong ki EM CM yalade ule banpet ya ke general administration appointment posting and transfer establishment trade enforcement revenue collection, arts and culture, Khadc traditional medicine commission, but kiwi pat ki kam bom shimla ai hakwi pat ki EM. Uba pawal soklet udi banpet yakalan development but information and technology. Uba saibor lang warba udi banpet yak finance taxation but forest. Kakong ai bandaplin efling do nonglat ka di banpet yak health and sanitation, solid waste management but education. Kakong deity majau ka di banpet yak law and legal. Baganthop ekjing pentrikam yak Khadc social custom of lineage act and rules, constitution of courts, marriage and divorce, but ka town committee. Uba isan a hinch uliban pet yak water resources and fisheries. Uba penkraw boklin khajarin unpet yak council buildings and council assets, but ka building bylaws. Uba denzel chanpat unpet yak tanat ilaka administration, but market. Kini ki EM Thymmai kin sa shimti ka kam jongki na do mentabasni.
Pelai por bani do kat lamat ngi hakani ka office ni janmiet ke daw ko ba ngi ko bani kendu ep ka silong no ba kum ba pilatip ka new trick governor la approve ye gitu ki list bani pha na kaliang jong office but kam tam na kaliang ke jonga ye gitu ki list jong ki EMs ti tam ban chu pentip shapi menta ka sngi na kaliang ke jonga ni la ban ya bati ki kam ha ka be dei bat ki portfolios tani ki kam ki bakin shim ki ni ki executive members ki Thymmai saya ngangan puli kelongkom ni mga CM ba Winston Tony Lingdo ngin ngan page ki portfolios ki badai jong ka general administration appointment posting transfer establishment trade enforcement revenue collection art culture Khadc traditional medicine commission but ki portfolios ki bam alot ki members Baar pede iba Paul Soklet executive members in page yakalan development and information and technology iba saibor lang warba EM in page yaka finance taxation but ka forest ikong Iban Daplin F Lingdo nonglat in page yaka health sanitation solid waste management but ka education ikong deity H Majau in page yaka law legal matters including implementation of Khadc social custom of lineage act and rules, constitution of courts, marriage and divorce and town committee. Iba isan a in pet yaka water resources but ka fisheries. Iba penkraw boklin kharjarin in pet yaka council building, council asset but building bylaws. But iyam iba Thymmai jungi hakani ka isi idei ba Denzel Reina Chen in pet yaka ilaka administration but ka market. Ini di jing pensyai kindiat dan jing pentip syapi hakabai day bat ki portfolios ki balasa me ki EMs ki Thymmai